Halloween is basically the Super Bowl of party ideas, and you have to bring your A game. Enter Halloween Jello shots. They're spooky, they're festive, and most importantly, they're ridiculously easy to make, and everyone will want one. Start with your basic ingredients: flavored Jello packets, boiling water, and your alcohol of choice. Vodka's the classic, but rum works too. The trick is not overpowering the Jello flavor with booze, a rookie mistake. Keep it balanced at a 1-to-1 ratio of water to alcohol. Now let's talk colors. This is Halloween after all. Orange, lime green, blood red, maybe even spooky black. You can even mix colors for eerie layering effects. Pro tip: black food coloring is your best friend for matching the spooky vibe. The secret to layered Jello shots? Patience. Pour your first layer, let it chill for 45 minutes, and then add the next layer gently with a spoon. Rushing this will turn your masterpiece into a blended mess. Trust me, I've been there. You want these things to scream Halloween at first glance. Get some themed shot cups. Look for skulls, mini cauldrons, or even tiny pumpkins. Presentation matters, and this little detail turns cool into epic. For extra spookiness, get creative with edible toppers: gummy worms, candy eyeballs, or whipped cream shaped like ghostly figures. These small details are what have people snapping pictures of your shots, like it's food art. Here's a pro tip: use unflavored gelatin for one of your layers and mix in tonic water. That layer will glow under black light. Imagine presenting glowing Jello shots at your party. It's a total crowd pleaser. Alcohol options? Sure, vodka works, but flavored spirits elevate the shots. Try apple vodka for green Jello or orange liqueur for orange Jello. Each one adds a surprising punch of flavor that people will rave about. Don't forget about the non-alcoholic version. Use the same method with no booze to create a kid-friendly or sober-friendly batch. A good host always caters to everyone at the party. Another trick: keep them cold and firm by serving them out of a mini cooler or an ice bath disguised with creepy faux cobwebs. No one wants melting Jello blobs at hour 2 of the party. This isn't just about food or drinks, it's about creating memories. A Halloween party with spooky, themed Jello shots is 5 times likelier to earn you Party Host of the Year accolades. Science probably proves that. So here's where the real magic happens. Gather your goblins and ghosts, snap pics while the neon Jello glows, and watch your group cackle over how ridiculously good the shots taste. You've brought the Halloween vibes to life.